It was definitely a warmer and more humid day. High temperatures well above normal, and the humidity is definitely quite a bit higher. Dew points are back into the 60s. Humidity right now is at 71%. All of that thanks to a southeasterly wind at 10 miles an hour. We started to see the southerly wind set up yesterday, so that's been now more than 24 hours of Gulf moisture surging back in. We saw more cloud cover as well today. It looks like maybe getting in some breaks around the metro area, and also a few showers that have been primarily from the bayou parishes, river parishes, really more St. James and well west of I-55. As they kind of move toward Baton Rouge, they tend to dissipate. So they didn't really see much rainfall, and no reported rain at Kenner today. Our high, though, 80 degrees, 9 degrees above average, and only 5 degrees away from our record. And notice our morning was much milder. We were in the 50s, low 60s at Kenner, and we'll likely stay in the 60s by overnight and into early tomorrow. Low 70s across the area at the moment, so a much milder evening if you're going to be headed out. Southerly wind continues, and that has been steadily increasing the humidity. Dew points in the 60s, and just to kind of give you an idea, yesterday still had that dry feel when dew points were in the 40s, 50s, and then during the overnight, we started to see those dew points rise into the 60s, and we'll stay in the 60s for our dew points, so staying humid overnight and into early tomorrow before the next front moves on through. So still warm and humid for much of the day Thursday. Then the cold front moves through late tomorrow afternoon, evening. Still some timing differences based on which model you look at as to exactly when it moves through. But certainly by later tomorrow night and into Friday and continuing into early Saturday, we will have a very chilly air mass move through. Here's what's going on. Not once again a lot of rainfall along the frontal boundary itself. There is definitely a significant temperature drop behind that front, but not much activity. We've been fairly dry in terms of the humidity, not just the rainfall, and so there really isn't a lot of fuel to get much in the way of rain to develop along these frontal boundaries, so we'll likely have only a few showers as the front pushes on through. Here comes that surge of colder air, but as we've been talking about the last couple of days, the main energy is staying a little more to our north, so it's not going to take much to see those temperatures start rebounding back into the 70s to maybe even a few spots near 80 by Sunday. So we come way down on Friday and then start warming up through the weekend. Here comes another front, and likely a stronger front to start next week. Tuesday morning looking to be our coldest morning, with a widespread, very cold air mass across the heartland and out toward the east. Does this air mass stick around for Thanksgiving? Right now, it's looking like we will likely start to see a little bit of a warm up by Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, right before Thanksgiving. Another front may be on the horizon, but probably won't do much for us on Thursday next week. So it does look like we will see a warming trend toward the Thanksgiving day itself, but I don't think we're going to have a warm day per se. So high temperatures kind of continuing along that roller coaster ride for the next several days. Front on the way tomorrow night, knocking our temperatures down for Friday. Nice weekend, just a little bit milder. May see some early morning showers Monday before another front really drops temperatures. We could see next Tuesday morning some near freezing temperatures on the North Shore.
The sound of that. Thank you, Chris. On Friday.